Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview from the makers of Physalis Solomon model. We will now be getting this model kit, their second release for the Kshatriya. They are now calling themselves Access Model, and this is what they are offering at the moment, and pre-orders are already up on some of the local stores here in Asia. These are some of the promotional photos that was released by the manufacturer, and this is going to be a huge model kit. And given this information, surely we will be getting a high price tag for this one. And the manufacturer also released their official video showing the actual dynamics and gimmicks that this kit has to offer, and showcased on the video the actual inner frame this kit has to offer. They're showing here the binder gimmicks and articulation, and obviously this is really a cool piece without the actual outer armor being attached. It's really tempting to get two of these guys, or better yet, they should release a clear copy version to showcase the actual design of the actual inner frame. And in the tradition of the Physalis, they also offered multiple hatch opening gimmick just for the binders alone. And we can see there the funnel parts and some movement on the legs. And they are also offering LEDs. I hope I'm right in this one, to actually enhance the display option for this model kit. Based on the pre-order amount, this will have a price tag of around $95 to $100 based on the offers here in Asia. And the release date is slated around October to November of 2025. We don't know if there will be a first batch extra for this model kit, but we will let you know through this channel for any updates regarding this information. Since we have a pilot cockpit option for this model kit, I hope the manufacturer considers putting a pilot figure or a pilot model to actually enhance the display options with this model kit. But knowing that this is not an official Bandai product, I don't think that will happen. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.